Now I am going to do chill cheesecakes, which will be really nice and tasty. After doing it, you can see how it looks and what we are going to do with that. To make the chill cheesecakes, I need 60 grams of butter. Melt the butter. Once the butter melts, I will slowly take off heat and I will put about 60 grams of sugar. That is about 2 dessert spoons of sugar and biscuit. I have got the biscuit. Now when I talk about biscuit, I have taken some sweet biscuits like this, crushed it, put it into this mixture, butter and sugar. Slowly mix it nicely. Once I mix it nicely, leave it here, take my bowl, nicely butter it. A teaspoon of cinnamon powder we put into that. It gives a good taste and flavor, and this mixture looks like a little bit of a dry like. So what I am going to do is I will add a little water into this. So now I am going to put this mixture into this bowl which I have buttered it well. Now I am going to press it nicely. See, with a big spoon. Press nicely. Now leave this aside. I have taken a cup and half a cup of water. 8 teaspoons of gelatin. We take it, soak this and keep aside. Now I take another half a cup of water. Add into the pan. Another 60 grams of sugar I have taken. 3 egg yolks. Now you cook this till it gets slightly thickened. You cook this. Now what I am going to do is into that I will add the gelatin mixture that I have kept. Mixed it nicely. Oh, lovely. Now we will take off heat. And what I am going to do now is the cheese cream. The cheese cream I am adding into this. Into this I am going to add lemon zest. Lemon zest. And a teaspoon of lime juice. Pour this mixture in nicely like that. I am going to keep this to set till it set. Maybe in about 1 to 2 hours it will get set. If you make it in the morning, you can take it in the evening. The chilled cheesecakes which I have done here, I am going to keep it in the fridge. Once I keep in the fridge, within an hour or 2, it will get set. Now, I will take it from the fridge. I have taken this from the fridge. You can see this and see the cheesecake that I have already done. I did it about few hours ago. I did it so that it's nice to look at it. And I will just cut a portion and show you. You have to cut like this and we take this. This is how you serve this. Can you see that? See my chilled cheesecakes, how you could serve it. As I told you, after lunch, after dinner, tea time, any time, if when guest comes, you know how to serve it like. It's very tasty. Try it out and see how it comes. Because very soon I will meet you in another episode. Till then, bye from me now.